Hey everyone, it's Marish. I'm going to do another example of the word equations with balancing. This is the fifth one on the assignment on Moodle, so here we go. Zinc sulfide is a zinc with a sulfur from your periodic table, or you might need a polyatomic. You don't need a polyatomic ion sheet for this one, but from your periodic table, you'll see that zinc is always a +2. And sulfur is a -2. Oxygen is oxygen gas, so we don't need to worry about charges. Zinc oxide, zinc again is a 2+, and oxygen is a 2-, plus sulfur dioxide, and that is sulfur, excuse me, with 2 oxygens. So crisscrossing, you rewrite them together. It's a 2 and a 2, but because they're both 2's, they cancel out, and we don't have to write it. Oxygen gas, if you look at that gases sheet I handed out, oxygen will be O2. Yielding zinc oxide, 2 and 2, 2's cancel out, plus sulfur dioxide. Alright, so that's the equation. Let's look at the balance. Put that in blue. Yeah, I haven't done this yet, so bear with me. I have 3 oxygens over here, which is going to be a pain. So I am going to do something to start. I'm going to make it an even number, so I'll do this. So now I have 2 and 2 for 4. That does something to my zinc, which makes it 2. So I come over here and put a 2. That does something to my sulfur. Makes it a 2. So I'm going to come back over here, put a 2 in front of this. And that alters my oxygen now to 4 and 2, which is 6. I can come over here, make the 6 by putting in a 3. So we get 2 plus 3, yielding 2 plus 2. Weird looking Z. Z and O. That's even wrong. My God, what's wrong with me? Excuse me. I apologize. Blah, 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 blah. Alright. Where's my pen? Ugh. And there you go. In the box, you're going to put the... where is it? 2 ZNS. 2. 3 O2s, 2 ZNO, and 2 SO2. And that should do it. Let's make sure I did that right, because I don't remember all of these on the top of my head. Submit finish. Submit finish. And yeah, there we go. The one we did is correct. So that's how we do it. Hope that helps. If you have any more questions, let me know. I'll be here all day, every single day, unless I'm sleeping. Bye.